Hi, Humza. I'm going to show you how I would do it. And there may be another way. I go in as faculty, not as a student. So I do things my faculty way, but I think this will work for you. So when you're on the mjc.edu main page, go to PiratesNet. And I'm going to log in as faculty. And it looks like this to me, but you'll have something similar. And I'm going to go to search for a class. You should have the same button. And I'm going to choose English. And I'm going to type in 100 and submit. And here I'm going to see all the 100s being offered this semester. And the ones that say in red late start, those, I think they all start. This one starts, you can see the dates here, 213. Does that say 213? Huh. So that's in a month. Right, okay, let's see about these ones. Yeah, 213, that one too. Yeah, it looks like they all the late starts start 213. And they're all online. So they don't meet face to face at all. I think. Yeah. They're all they're all online. So I think that's going to suit you better than my class.